Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Untitled Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the 2019 Sprinter 3340 FWFLS. So it's a front living floor plan in the limited series. So that is their kind of higher trim level. You get a few more features than you do in the campfire series. We'll go over most of those inside, but there are a couple things on the outside that we'll point out first. So right off the bat, you can see a nice gray color for Sprinter this year. You got the huge power awning, covers most of your campsite. LED lit. The speakers are actually, for Sprinter, located right in the awning. So when the awning's out, your sound will project right down to your campsite, which is kind of nice. Sprinter is also equipped with the Road Armor suspension. And basically that's just like a suspension where you'll have an extra 3 inches of play either way, and it'll make a smoother ride, kind of long story short. So you get the quad step, 4-step entrance. And of course, all Sprinters are 100-inch wide body, and they're all equipped, the Sprinter Limiteds are all equipped with the premium thermal package. So what that's talking about is these are actually cold weather rated right down to -17 degrees Celsius. So great if you're gonna do some extended season stuff, or if you need to kind of beef one of these up to do kind of an overwinter stay, use it for work or whatever you wanted to do. But let's head inside and check it out. All right, welcome inside. So as you can see, you step right into kind of the kitchen area. The kitchen's kind of in the middle with the living room being at the front and then the main bedroom at the back. So a little bit different. All Sprinters are 100-inch wide body, so you'll see there's nice good space in here, even though this isn't that deep of a slide. Lots of counter space. They of course do solid surface countertops. Accent lighting underneath. You got the Furrier oven. 8 cubic foot fridge. And then tons of pantry space. So lots here, and then big closet. However you want to use it. And then you got a 6-person dinette. You got freestanding chairs on the one side. These do come with a strap to strap in while you're in transit, so they don't cause any damage while you're moving. All Sprinter Limiteds come with a skylight, and there is a little shade if you want to close that. And then of course the fantastic fan. That does have the rain sensor built in, so it will automatically close. And all Sprinters are equipped with a touchscreen wireless remote, located here in this particular trailer. So this will control your outside lights, your auto leveling system, your awning, and of course your slide outs. So a pretty cool feature to have, especially if you're setting the unit up on your own. And that can just stay here. Otherwise, you of course have the standard control panel that you'll see in every other trailer. But let's head upstairs. So this is kind of the feature of the unit. So full profile coach. So as you can see, I'm 6 feet tall, and I can walk right to the front of the trailer. I got the fireplace on just to warm it up a little bit in here. That is electric, puts out good heat. It's 5,000 BTUs. And you get the big screen TV. These are tri-fold sofas, so there's additional sleeping on either side. Now because of that 100-inch wide body, we can literally pull out both these sofa beds and still have some room in between. So you can sleep, 6 people in here, no problem. And then of course the theater seating as well. Now this is a 50 amp trailer, so it does have dual air conditioners as well. Your main unit's located up here, and then there's a second unit down in the bedroom. So ensuite type idea with the washroom. So you got your standard 3-piece, lots of room around the toilet. Again, that 100-inch wide body coming into play. You got your nice radius shower. Tons of headspace. A lot of people are concerned when you step up into the shower about headspace, but obviously being at the back of the 5th wheel, you still have tons of room there. And then of course there's a fan above the toilet as well. Sliding door leads into the master bedroom. And this is a king bed slide. So you got a couple cabinets above, and then of course behind me you got your main dresser and your closet. The bedroom does have its own independent air conditioner. That about does it for the Sprinter 3340. I'm Mike from Untitled Trailer. I'll catch you next time.